Did you know you can drill holes on compound angles using multi-axis drilling? Let's take a look. Using multi-axis drilling is the fast and easy way to drill holes with your fourth and fifth axis. We'll load up our mill drill hole cycle. We'll choose select geometry, and this time instead of our standard drill cycle, we'll use multi-axis drill. Now we'll select the cylindrical faces that we want to use for our hole locations. You'll notice as we select each cylindrical face, the software will populate an arrow indicating the direction that hole would be drilled in. This is very useful in case you're working from the inside out or the outside in. These arrows will determine what direction those holes will be drilled in. Once you've selected your hole directions, you can choose OK. From here, we can pick our machining strategies. You could do tapped holes, counterbore holes. Once you have your machining strategy established, I'm just going to compute the defaults here, and you can see it's just that easy. BobCAD will automatically calculate the angles needed to drill these holes with your fourth or fifth axis. To learn about tips and tricks using BobCAD, call us today or subscribe to our channel for next week's tip. See you then!